How to get free things with T-Mobile Tuesdays. Let's get started. Start by downloading the T-Mobile Tuesdays app on your smartphone. This app is available for both iOS and Android devices. After completion of its download process, launch the app and then sign into your account. Provide your T-Mobile account's credentials, email, phone number or username. Once you type in, click on following, and in the next page you will need to type in the password and then click on done. With that, you will be logged into your account. If you haven't created your account, you can register for your account. Every Tuesday, T-Mobile releases new offers and deals in the app. Open the app on Tuesdays to see the latest promotions available to T-Mobile customers. Browse through the available offers and tap on the ones you are interested in to redeem them. Follow the instructions provided to claim your free items or discounts. Some offers may require you to enter a promo code or visit a specific website to redeem. Once you have successfully redeemed an offer, you can enjoy your free items or discounts. Some offers may be for physical products that you can pick up in the store, while others may be digital rewards that you can use immediately. Make it a habit to check the T-Mobile Tuesdays app every Tuesday for new offers and deals. T-Mobile frequently updates the app with fresh promotions, so you never know what freebies you might find. By following these steps, you can take advantage of T-Mobile Tuesdays to score free items, discounts, and other exclusive offers as a T-Mobile customer. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.